welcome to AI Wealth Mastery, where we unravel the fascinating intersection of technology, wealth, and innovation. Today, join us on a journey through time and technology as we delve into the remarkable story of Tesla's rise and AI progress. Discover how these two forces have converged to shape the future in ways we could have only imagined. Imagine a world where your car drives you to work while you sit back and sip on your morning coffee. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, not anymore. Welcome to the rise of Tesla and the AI revolution. Today we dive into a remarkable story that intertwines the rise of Tesla with the progress of artificial intelligence, showcasing how innovation has shaped our world. Remember to subscribe now. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, AI Wealth Mastery, the hub for car enthusiasts and tech lovers. Before we rocket into Tesla's electrifying journey, remember to hit that like button, smash subscribe, and ring that bell to stay updated on all the latest in Tesla and artificial intelligence. Your support fuels our passion. Chapter 1, Tesla's Origin and Surge in the Market, 1-330. Tesla's journey began not with a bang, but with a silent hum, as the first Roadster rolled off the line, challenging everything we thought we knew about cars. Picture this. A Silicon Valley startup bent on defying the gas-guzzling norms of the automotive industry. This was a David and Goliath story like no other, powered not by petrol but by pure electrons. Enter the scene Elon Musk, not just as an investor but the driving force with a vision so bold it could seem borderline crazy. A world running on sustainable energy with cars leading the charge. Musk's mantra: innovation, electrification, revolution. And let me tell you, the market listened. When Tesla dropped the Roadster, it sparked a frenzy, charging the path for the following legends: Model S, X3, and Y. Suddenly, EVs weren't just an alternative, they were the aspirational machines everyone had to have. This catalyzed interest in clean mobility and set the dominoes of innovation tumbling. And then the surge, a jaw-dropping 700% in stock prices. To the moon, shouted investors as Tesla raced past automotive behemoths Toyota and Volkswagen. The market cap soared, painting a clear picture. Electric was the new black in automotive fashion. Chapter 2, Tesla's Artificial Intelligence Milestones, 330-630. So folks, buckle up as we shift gears to Tesla's secret sauce, artificial intelligence. AI is more than just a buzzword. It's what makes Tesla's cars so darn smart. We're not just talking smart like your phone or your TV, we're talking about a car that can navigate the chaos of rush hour with the grace of a ballerina. The Autopilot feature? That's just the tip of the iceberg. It's like having a co-pilot gifted with the reflexes of a fighter jet pilot. And full self-driving? It's a glimpse into a future where your car not only knows your route to work, but also where you stop for that croissant and the dry cleaners you frequent on Thursdays. Behind the curtain is the Hardware 3 neural network chip, Tesla's brainchild, and folks, it's light years ahead. This chip doesn't just process information, it learns, evolves, gets smarter, making every mile an educational trip for your Tesla. But Tesla's AI intellect isn't confined to turns and merges. It's breaking barriers in energy management too. Enter Powerwall, Tesla's home battery, marrying AI with energy storage, ensuring not a watt of solar goodness is wasted. Efficiency is the name of the game, and Tesla's AI plays it like a pro. Chapter 3, The Future of Transportation and Energy, 630-930. Now let's cruise into the future, past the smog and into the clear blue skies of Tesla's clean energy utopia. Tesla isn't just making cars, they're spearheading a revolution for a sustainable life with solar roofs and batteries galore, proving once and for all that renewable is more than a buzzword, it's the beacon of the future. AI isn't just about convenience, it's a guardian angel too. Enhanced safety features that can predict when things might go south and steer you clear of harm's way. That's Tesla's AI weaving its magic, transforming cars from mere transportation to protectors on the pavement. The economic and environmental ripples of Tesla's ambitions are no small affair. Picture a world where cities breathe easier, skies are clearer, and energy is cheaper and cleaner. That's the world Tesla envisions, and it's one we could co-create. Tesla's roadmap stretches far on the horizon of innovation. Electric semis, a new breed of roadster, and perhaps one day, a Tesla silently orbiting Mars. The roadmap for Tesla isn't just a series of waypoints, it's the drafting of a whole new world, shaped by the hands of AI. We've journeyed through Tesla's inception, its tumultuous early years, and its meteoric rise to prominence in the automotive industry. Alongside Tesla's growth, we've witnessed the incredible progress of AI, from self-driving technology to advanced manufacturing processes. As we conclude our exploration, it's clear that Tesla's success story is not just about cars. It's about innovation, perseverance, and the relentless pursuit of a vision. AI has been a key enabler of Tesla's advancements, demonstrating the transformative power of technology when coupled with human ingenuity. As we throttle down, let's recap Tesla's meteoric rise, its groundbreaking stride in AI, and the roadmap that could redefine our road trips. We've witnessed a shift not just in gears, but in paradigms. A shift that Tesla navigates with aplomb. So let's stir up some electrifying conversation. Join us in the comments below with your thoughts on Tesla's journey and the role of AI in shaping our future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Wealth Mastery for more insightful content on leveraging technology for wealth creation. And if you're hungry for the latest in Tesla triumphs, AI breakthroughs, and the pulse of innovation in cars and beyond, you know the drill. Hit subscribe and don't miss a single update from our channel. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's chat about the future that Tesla is painting and the AI artistry that colors it bold. This has been your dose of high voltage. Now keep your batteries charged and minds curious, because the future arrives with every sunrise. Remember, the future is bright, especially when we embrace the possibilities that AI and innovation offer. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep striving for success.